Summertime is come, and the trees are sweetly